Look at this beautiful lemon tree right here. So before we transplanted this lemon tree into this beautiful bucket, and these buckets are free, go check the previous YouTube channels on how to get those. But this lemon tree, what I was going to talk to y'all about, before we got the lemon tree, it came in a bucket like this onion right here, like a smaller bucket like this, and it was in the house, and then we soon transplanted it. And once we transplanted it, it started to grow new branches and also new leaves. And you can tell which branches are new. So like you can tell this is a new branch because the color is different. And so it started to grow new leaves. And so if I back it up, you can see all the different colored leaves and how they're changing. And it also started to get pollinated. We're not sure if it's going to produce any fruit this season, but hey, the sun's been very strong. It gets enough water, it gets its nutrients, and all these good things that it needs. And so we'll see. And another thing about lemon trees that I did not know until it happened to myself is that lemon trees have thorns. You know what I'm saying? So we got to respect its boundaries. And so it will poke you if you're not paying attention to respecting its boundaries. And so I don't know where the thorns are right now. See if can we find some, but the lemon tree will poke you. The lemon tree will poke you. And as you can see here, they pruned the tree before we got it. They pruned it down, and so we had pruned it a little bit, so we cut some of the branches off on the bottom rack, and now we're just letting it do its thing. You can tell the stock, the root, I mean the trunk have gotten stronger. It also got a little fatter also. So yeah, Lemons, how you feeling? You feeling good out here? Oh yeah, here go a thorn right here. Look, you can see the thorn. Oh, there it is, right there. Yep, right there, sharp. They don't play. Well, we appreciate you, Lemon Tree, for allowing us to come by and share a little bit of your biological makeup and how you are transforming into a beautiful tree.
Thank you for stopping by the Garden of Treats, and visit lovealways.shop for more love.